In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Ireland. If you've received a fixed charge notice and want to take care of it online, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from the Garda website to the official payment page so you can complete the payment smoothly and confidently. Start by going to the Garda website section for fixed charge notices. This is the official place where you can find information about traffic fines and how to pay them. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Paying Online. This section is there to direct you to the correct online payment service. So it's a good place to begin rather than searching randomly. Next, click on the link for the An Post Online Payment Facility. This will take you away from the Garda information page and into the payment system used to process these fines. When you click it, a new tab will open. That's normal. So don't worry if you suddenly see a separate page appear. On the An Post page, look for the button or link that says Pay Your Fine Online and click it. This will bring you to the actual payment portal where you can enter the details from your fixed charge notice. Before you begin typing, it's a good idea to have your notice beside you so you can copy the information carefully and avoid any mistakes. Once you're on the payment page, type in your fixed charge notice reference number exactly as it appears on your notice. Take your time here because even a small typo can stop the system from finding your fine. After that, complete the reCAPTCHA verification. This is the standard security check that confirms you're a real user and not an automated system. When that's done, click Next to continue to payment. The site will then guide you forward with the remaining prompts. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions to review your fine details and complete the payment process. Make sure you read each page carefully so you know you're confirming the correct notice before submitting anything. As a final tip, once your payment is complete, keep a copy of the confirmation for your records, whether that means saving a screenshot, downloading a receipt, or printing the confirmation page. That can be useful if you ever need proof of payment later. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Ireland.